Hey everyone, it's been really cold here. It's been down in the teens. You can kind of see some snow in the back. This is the first really warm day we had. I'm going to share my lunch with some of these seagulls. Hopefully no cars will come by. Here we go, some French fries. Here guys. They're really hungry, I can tell. I'm gonna give them half my sandwich. Here guys. That went over well. Here guys. I'm gonna give them all these French fries. I actually think they're a pretty bird. All right, bye guys. Everyone have a great day.